There's something magical about fall, the crisp air, the golden leaves, and of course, the rich, comforting flavors of the season. One of the best ways to embrace autumn is through a vibrant fall harvest salad with maple vinaigrette. This salad is a perfect blend of sweet, savory, and nutty flavors, making it a must-have for any autumn meal. At the heart of this salad are roasted butternut squash and crisp apples, two iconic fall ingredients. The butternut squash brings a creamy texture and slight sweetness, while the apples add a refreshing crunch. Paired with mixed greens, such as arugula and baby spinach, this salad provides the perfect balance of textures. Adding some extra heartiness, we include toasted pecans or walnuts. Their crunch and earthy richness complement the other ingredients beautifully. To elevate the salad further, we introduce crumbled goat cheese or feta, which adds a creamy, tangy contrast that ties everything together. For an extra burst of sweetness, dried cranberries or pomegranate seeds are the perfect finishing touch. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the maple vinaigrette. This dressing brings a warm, slightly sweet depth to the salad that enhances all the flavors. Made with pure maple syrup, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper, it's both simple and irresistible. A quick whisk or shake in a mason jar, and it's ready to drizzle over your fresh ingredients. The best part? This fall harvest salad is incredibly versatile. It can stand alone as a light yet satisfying meal or be paired with roasted chicken, turkey, or even a hearty soup for a cozy autumn dinner. Plus, it's an excellent option for holiday gatherings. Your guests will love the seasonal flavors and beautiful presentation. If you're looking for a dish that embodies fall in every bite, this salad is your answer. The combination of warm roasted vegetables, crisp fruit, creamy cheese, and crunchy nuts, all brought together with a luscious maple vinaigrette, makes this a go-to recipe for the season. Have you ever tried making a fall-inspired salad? What ingredients would you add to make it your own?